Ever found yourself wrestling with sharing access to duplicated Google Sheets, making sure the right people see the right data? Let's automate that. Today, we're diving into how to use Zapier to automatically manage permissions when you duplicate a Google Sheet. This keeps your data secure and your sharing streamlined. The core idea is to create a workflow that, when a new sheet is created from a template, automatically grants access to specified individuals or groups. First, you'll need a master Google Sheet that you'll be duplicating. This could be a template for project proposals, client onboarding forms, or anything you regularly replicate when someone needs a new version. They'll make a copy of this master sheet. Now, head over to Zapier and start by creating a new Zap. We're going to trigger this Zap when a new sheet is created from a specific template. For your trigger, select Google Sheets. The event we're looking for is New Spreadsheet in Folder. You'll connect your Google Drive account and then specify the folder where these duplicated spreadsheets will appear. This is crucial for Zapier to detect when a new copy is made. Next, we set up the action again. We'll use Google Sheets. The event here is Share Spreadsheet. This is where we'll tell Zapier who to share the newly created sheet with. Here's the magic. You'll link the spreadsheet ID. From your trigger step, this tells Zapier which spreadsheet to share then. In the recipient email field, you'll enter the email address or addresses of the people you want to grant access to. You can even specify their permission level, like viewer or editor. Now, test your action to make sure it's working correctly. Zapier will attempt to share a dummy spreadsheet once confirmed. You can turn on your Zap. From now on, every time a new spreadsheet is created in that designated folder, Zapier will automatically share it with your defined recipients. Maintaining data control and security has never been this easy, happy, automatic.